A quick update on the new build of the track. Well, I've completely failed. I have tried everything and this is not my first attempt. I've been doing this over the last couple of months and sadly I can't combine this other product I was using with the fat track, and also getting the corners has proven to be extremely difficult. So now I'm going to try 3 turns. Turn 1, turn 2 and turn 3. I've got the home run sorted. I've got this this bit of straight here sorted. Doing that, that's turn 1, which will then go right up to the start gate up here. I think we might have a sort of gradual longish start down into the turns. Anyway, just wanted to keep you update. I don't want to put up too many videos because it'll just really bore you. And this is all just mucking around and just testing to see how it all goes. I'm bitterly disappointed that my initial dream is not going to happen. There's not much I can do about it unless I can manufacture these tracks, which I can't. So unfortunately with the fat track, or fortunately, there's only really 1 or 2 ways that you can go with this stuff, and it is just how it is. Look, we'll still have a great racing track, and once this is built and I'll get some timings together, I'll do another video. Okay, catch you later, guys.